In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pronounce Hootsuite. This will be a short, simple pronunciation lesson, and by the end, you will feel confident saying the name clearly and naturally. First, let us start with the most common pronunciation. Hootsuite is most commonly pronounced Hootsuite. When you say it, you will hear two parts. The first part is hoot, and the second part is sweet. The key is to keep those sounds together so the name flows smoothly, rather than sounding separated or choppy. Now let us focus on the first word part, hoot. Think of the word boot, and notice that it has the same ending sound. Hoot rhymes with boot. That means the vowel and the ending are in the same family of sounds. To say it, start with a clear hoot sound, with a strong, steady oo vowel. You can picture your mouth forming a rounded shape for that oo sound, then finishing with the T at the end. Next, we will connect that to the second part, sweet. The reason this matters is that sweet is a common word, but people sometimes guess how it should sound based on how it is spelled. For Hootsuite, sweet is pronounced like sweet, not like the word suit. So the second part should sound like the word sweet, with a clear, bright E sound at the beginning. To make this extra clear, listen to the contrast. Suit is pronounced like the letters you might say in your head. Suit. It has a different vowel sound and it ends differently. In Hootsuite, you do not want that suit sound. Instead, you want sweet, which sounds like the everyday word for something pleasant or sugary. This pronunciation choice is what will make your version sound natural to English speakers. Now let us put both parts together. When you combine them, you say Hootsuite. The hoot portion comes first, then the sweet portion right after it. Keep the emphasis on the first part, so it feels like the name begins with hoot, followed by sweet as the finish. A good way to practice is to repeat it 2 or 3 times at a normal speaking pace. Say it once slowly and then again a little faster, just like you would say a brand name in a conversation. After you practice the full pronunciation, check that the rhythm matches what you hear in the most common version. The name should not sound like Hootsuite. It should not sound like Hootsuite with a stiff or unclear second syllable. Instead, it should sound smooth, with sweet clearly matching the sweet sound. When your second part matches sweet, you are on track. Finally, as a quick finishing step, say the pronunciation one more time confidently. Hootsuite. You can imagine using it naturally when you talk about the product, like when someone asks which tool you are using. Clear pronunciation helps people understand you right away, and this version is the one most people expect. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.